Good morning, traders. Managed Prayer here with today's pre-market forecast for Monday, March the 7th. Let's jump into our news reports for this morning. Nothing Monday and Tuesday. We have some job opening information beginning on Wednesday. Information regarding inflation, unemployment claims, and of course the University of Michigan consumer sentiment will be closing out the week at 10 a.m. Market is reeling, guys, from the oil prices. Oil prices hit over $130 a barrel overnight, and it's going to be affecting the market in the long run. Remember that oil is the fuel of the world economy, and it has direct effect on every single thing that we do in reference to consumer items, services, so on and so forth. So that's going to be the key right there. As we see more indecision in the market, we're coming off the 20 SMA, coming right back into this low area here. We do have a gap, however, this morning that looks like the market's trying to fill. But guys, I really think that right after that, the market is just going to try tanking a little bit. To the downside is here attempting to fill out this gap here. We're right back into this resistance, strong resistance support level. Remember, these are the areas we've been talking about for quite some time now. At least all of last week it remained within this area here. So this is where we are right now. Reference to our trading this morning, intraday high, intraday low of yesterday, where we opened up way below it, including this gap that was created overnight. Looks like the market is heading right into this gap to try to fill it. But after that, guys, I think the market is going to test this area up here. And I think from there, from this point forward, I think the market is going to just bounce right off this area and start to head a little lower. And I think this is pretty much what we're going to be seeing the rest of the day. Potentially a continuation to the downside once it does fill up the gap. Probably come back here again, retest, and probably oscillate down to these areas again. Of course, the confirmation of that not being the fact is a hold of this area here and a continuation higher. But basically, we're looking for probably lower prices today in the market, more of the down movement. So don't be surprised. Just make sure you wait for the confirmation. Have a great session.